Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you fix Instagram DM not opening or fix message button not working problem today. Okay, let's start the video. First, open your Play Store app and search Instagram and update your Instagram app. Now click on update. And second option, now open your phone setting. Scroll down, click on apps and notification, click on Instagram, click on force stop, then OK, click on storage and cache. Now clear cache or clear storage. Now open your Instagram app. Now click on DM option. Finally, DM option or Instagram message option is opening. I hope solved your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.